Welcome to Steve's Shed. I'm Steve. If you're new here, don't worry about it, because I am as well. This is my first video. So, this is primarily to document the build of my Mk2 Cortina, but I will do a proper introduction later on. In the meantime, she's only let me have a little bit of time in the garage, so we need to crack on with the exhaust. So, today's job, sorting the exhaust out. This, as I've said, is my 1968 Mk2 Cortina. And I've recently made a full system out of 2.5 inch mild steel all the way from the manifold back. Now the problem that I've got, there is the original exit, and that's where it comes out at the moment. I went online and recently found a pair of really tight 90-degree bends in mild steel made by Jetix. They should be able to make the exhaust go from here to nearly the original position. So let's see if we can work this out. So after a lot of head scratching, this is the extra piece. Doesn't look too pretty at the moment, but I don't pretend to be a fabricator, and I am not a welder by trade. But I am pretty good with a flap disc, so we'll see how this turns out. So all I'm doing here are just the final welds. Right then, just need to do that 2 more times. I only had 2 pinholes in that one, so that was good. Alright, okay. Right then, well that's it for the first episode of Steve's Shed, so let me know if you want to see exhaust part 2. Take it easy.